Hey everybody, Dr. Mitch. A new study shows that either aspirin or a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory taken every day, regularly, reduces your risk for cancer. That's a great thing. But if you look at the studies carefully, it's all about reducing inflammation, and we have a lot of inflammation in our bodies. Me, no, I don't take an aspirin, and I do not take a non-steroidal every day. But what I do is take super biocurcumin, 1 or 2 of them twice a day. I believe that works even better than any of the non-steroidal anti-inflammatories or aspirin. Give it a try. It's a great preventative and a great insurance policy not to get sick later on in life. Inflammation tends to be the nidus for almost every chronic disease there is. Remember, super biocurcumin, 1 or 2 twice a day, even if you're healthy, to keep you healthy, may be something you should think about. Discuss it with your doctor. Until tomorrow, God bless. I'm Dr. Mitch.